Welcome back to the 88s. Today we're doing a Mountain Dew tier list, and to I already forgot the next line. What do I say after that? Today we're doing a Mountain Dew tier list, and to serve us these fancy flavors, we have our own French waiter.
Oui, oui.
Yep.
Hi.
And the tier list board is back.
They never left. So, you know, whatever, fine.
First, yeah.
Say the whole thing.
First fucking flavor. Regular Mountain Dew. The good old OG. Waiter.
Damn, that's good. I didn't mean to do it that hard.
American.
I didn't think I was gonna miss.
You moved it. What do you guys think it's gonna miss? Damn.
Can I get a napkin?
In France, they don't have napkins in France.
I can smell the citric acid.
Can you hear it?
I hear the
Smell the
bubbles.
sugar.
Oh, I can feel the sugar from here.
I hate that he's watching the entire fucking time.
Oh wait, what? I'm supposed to be drinking yet? I thought, you know what?
That hurts my teeth already.
Is it weird if I didn't taste it?
Yeah, a little. I feel bad for you. Look how much fucking you got.
Wait, do you want some?
That's Mountain Dew. All right.
Oh, you know what? That was a nice. What is it? Alto? Is that low? Yeah.
Just drink the fucking Mountain Dew, bro. Just drink.
Oh, fucking.
It sure tastes like Mountain Dew.
I tell you what, NASCAR. That's what.
Vicky Bobby. Oh, you know Ricky Bobby.
I love Ricky Bobby.
He doesn't know Ricky Bobby.
They shaking the back.
All right, where are you putting that?
Yeah,
Standard Mountain Dew, I'd say is A
I'd say
class.
A.
Yeah, I would say
Hey.
I wouldn't put it like anything.
Mid A.
You can't go wrong for original. A tier's a safe bet.
I agree. All right.
All right, what's the next
Sticky
one?
fingers.
Oh my God.
Oh, here we go.
All right, next one. Mountain Dew Real Sugar.
That real good shit.
Do you think they serve the hard Mountain Dew here, or is this a non-alcoholic establishment?
Seems like you already got this shit. Oh, I feel like I gotta. Hey, Andrew, let me get some of that. Let me get some.
Now hang on. You don't have to do this over me, bro. Were you gonna take mine? Cheers.
Thank you.
You
With
didn't
the
swish it, or you didn't. You know, I can't get it. I can never get it.
That's real sugar, all right, baby. Woo!
looking at the color, it kind of looks like my piss earlier.
I think you should go to a doctor.
It tastes the same.
God.
Dang, you're gonna die today.
No, oui.
Huh?
Fake American. She's a fake American.
That is no.
I was gonna say one French word.
A processed cheese.
It's a processed cheese. Vita, where do you think it should go? Wherever he says that we do the opposite.
Now he needs a burpee. There you go.
I didn't know the Vita stuff here took care of us like this.
I'm thinking it's basically just regular Mountain Dew, but
Yeah.
it tastes a little smoother because of the real sugar, I think.
That's a fair.
So I think it's a little bit higher, like not like by like one tier, not like a whole like letter tier, but like one
go right above it.
left, like right,
Yeah.
right,
Right
left
above
of
it.
Mountain Dew is smoother, yeah. I guess I could have said that.
All right, next got Mountain Dew Livewire.
Oh,
Director's personal favorite.
Gotta say, I don't think I've ever actually
gotta
had
say,
this.
I have
pretty
not.
whack. No.
I have not had this.
You never had Livewire?
I've always seen it, and I'm like, damn, I should get that. And I look over and I see code red. And I'm like,
You're like, damn, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
The orange color turns me off of it.
You make me so mad, bro. I hate you so much. What does that mean?
Because I'm like, it probably tastes like orange, so I don't.
No shit, it tastes like that's its flavor. Yes.
that's for you. It's a tip. Is the color? This looks like somebody who had not had anything healthy or water.
If someone
in 3
pees
days.
this color, they need to go to the hospital immediately.
Hey, cheers.
Oui. Oh. Process the cheese.
Shut up about the processed cheese.
Say pepper jack.
I just think it's very.
Eh?
Bless you. Bless you, monsieur.
Was that the buzz?
That was the manager.
I don't like that.
You don't like that?
No.
She might be cut out the video. That's crazy.
I don't like orange flavored things. I like oranges. I don't like orange flavored.
Now,
Oh, you one of those people.
this reminds me of like
Yeah. It's like
candy
But I
oranges.
hate grape flavored things.
So
What do you mean you hate grape favorite thing? You're not gonna start this right now.
Exactly what I mean.
You're gonna have the worst stomach.
another.
All right, I think it's a solid B tier. I think it's B tier.
I think it's D tier.
See, I was thinking A tier, under regular. So where do we settle?
Can we do like C?
I think low B would be.
I think
the
a
settle.
low B would be fair because I think it's okay, but I've had
Trying to keep it up there.
Can we do a high C?
high C.
This is a
I
Mountain
love
Dew
high
tier
C.
list.
It's the same color as a high C.
What does that have to do with anything? What are you talking about? We're gonna leave it at low B.
High C.
It's already there.
High C. And I just
Okay,
ripped
reach
it up.
over there then.
I will. High C.
Just knock her out. We're ready for the
All
next
right.
flavor.
Next flavor is the spork.
The fuck did you
Spork?
say?
Yeah, it's just spot.
Get the fuck American.
Ladies suck.
Thank you.
Perfect. Oh yes. Oh,
Thank you.
smells like battery acid. One's lovely. Get the swirl going on. Little tink 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 tink. You wanna tink tink?
Tink, tink.
Tink tink.
I still can't do the swirl.
Because you suck.
I know.
Is it suck?
Oh, I'm getting it. I'm getting the swirl. Look at that swirl. Look at it, Kenny.
I think I got the swirl.
I drank it. I can't swirl it no more.
A little tart, huh?
Ooh.
I really like that. I love lemonade.
That's
so
my favorite one, dude. One of my favorites.
I think
should
it's
say.
an S tier.
You go ahead and pour that bitch in.
That is so sweet.
I know. That's what Mountain Dew is.
It is soda.
What you guys thinking for this tier one? Tier.
Sure, that's
one.
I was gonna put this in C.
C. I was gonna say a S.
I was
Or
also
high
gonna say
A.
S.
I could sell like right after original Mountain Dew.
Behind.
Behind.
Right after.
Right after.
I'll settle here.
Oh my god. All right, dude,
Next
what
one.
is the next flavor?
Woman.
Zero sugar.
Oh, okay.
Spark.
Veta.
Like ever since being on this keto diet, I've done a lot of zero sugar sodas, and I actually don't notice a difference in a lot of them. Zero
I could
sugar,
drink zero
strawberries
sugar
and cream soda.
I didn't even know they had the strawberries and cream. Dr. Pepper. Pepper. Dr. Pepper.
Not that good.
Pepper. Dr. Pepper.
This is Mountain
You
Dew.
making a whole song?
a whole ass beat, bro.
Just time to
He
relax.
said chill.
Thank you. Smells like lemonade.
That's a taste, all right.
I like this one better.
I mean, honest, this one kind of throws me a little bit because there's no really sweetness. To
I
it.
don't taste the flavor, bro. I just taste ass. That's what I taste.
How do you know what ass tastes like?
Huh? Well, we don't drink that fucking Mountain Dew. I swear.
I can't. Somebody's staring at me.
He wants your honest opinion.
With fucking extendo neck.
Who drinks with their eyes closed, bro? Who does that?
Ratatouille.
Because I'm laughing
No sugar.
and crying.
The high fructose corn syrup.
This one I would say is a D.
This one's a definite D for me.
See, this one I'm saying A tier.
Well, we both said D, so C.
Put that shit right next to orange, bro.
No, we'll go low B.
Get the ain't no way, bro. Get that shit to C tier. I don't want that garbage in B tier. Are you kidding me, bro?
No, y'all put that in fucking A tier. I
You
said
put
B.
that in- you
No,
put
listen.
We put that in S tier, actually.
No, you guys put that piece of shit in like A tier or whatever the fuck. I put that thing in D, and we settled on whatever.
Yeah, one up for you. We both said D tier. You said it low A.
All right, you guys have a point. Listen, I'm the fucking board
Listen,
master
get
here.
that shit down to.
I'm the board master.
Did she just say she was your master?
I don't know. That sounds like me.
I didn't say it with an S.
That doesn't help.
All right, next
What's
one.
flavor?
Major Melon.
Oh,
Oh, here we go again. We're gonna fight.
oh boy, I can't wait. I can't wait to hear the dumb shit you about to say in this one. I can't wait.
Zaveta's. Your bend in the back came off. Your bend in the back. It's off. I'm trying to show you.
Tavion.
How did you know?
I thought they were the same.
Yo, that scent is awful.
Damn.
You smell like shit.
Oh boy.
The hell was that? Bye. Refreshing. Smells like Jolly Rancher. I'm saying a solid A tier, very least. Don't you fucking say it, Chloe. Don't you say.
I'm going to be the
D?
opposite of you then.
opposite.
I'm thinking a D tier.
D tier, really?
I really didn't
Sweet,
like.
because I'm thinking F tier.
God damn.
It tasted like liquid Jolly Ranchers, and I don't like that.
Understandable. Understandable.
Like-
Fair point, sir.
So D tier?
No, wait a minute. I think it's at least a C tier.
I would say C.
Very low C. There.
Mid C. Up a little bit.
No, because I said F.
What is the next flavor? Don't tell me zero sugar.
Please God, don't let it be zero sugar.
Zero.
Gracias.
De nada.
Glasses.
Yeah, I got two.
Magani.
No.
Smells the same.
It tastes worse.
It tastes like stale Major Melon.
It tastes like, yeah, it tastes
Like
worse.
literally everything that made the regular Major Melon
Oh my god.
good. It
Did you see that?
Let's see what. Damn. You got over my head.
F tier.
Yeah, put that shit in F tier.
Like, it's still drinkable. It's just,
Not good.
all right.
What does?
I think this is gonna go in the same spot.
Which one's like?
Diet Mountain Dew.
I can already.
I don't think I've ever had Diet Mountain Dew.
I'm
It's
so
fucking
happy for you.
disgusting.
Vapor?
Okay. Oh, it smells like ass. Oh my
Oh,
god,
it
it's
does.
horrible. What? What type of shit? She got a little tongue dip of fucking Diet Mountain Dew. And I get this fucking.
I asked nicely.
Like, bro, like the fumes coming from it. Like I can't even like put it to my mouth. Like, ugh.
I'm gonna hypnotize you, Kenny. Kenny likes Diet Mountain Dew.
You're a fucking liar.
Kenny likes.
This tastes
Diet
like
Mountain
somebody
Dew.
pissed in my mouth. That's what it tastes like.
Kenny, you like Diet Mountain Dew.
No, I don't. You lying?
Kenny.
You're gonna kill the waiter.
Fuck. The waiter's dying.
You call me a bitch?
What's the next flavor?
Hopefully not diet nothing.
No.
Oh,
Voltage.
my number one. This is my
Oh.
favorite. Thank you.
Lovely.
Look at this
Yes.
swirl.
The smell.
Babe.
Oh, no.
It smells like Halo.
This reminds me. This reminds me of my childhood.
He's
There's also-
drinking.
Oh my god, you're chugging that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
He's smiling at us.
Wonderful.
I would say S tier.
Yeah, I think that's our first S tier.
I think this is number one S tier.
Can't go wrong with voltage.
All the nostalgia that it brings back.
You said you don't remember what it tastes like. Now you're over here like, yeah,
I said that
Now she's like, oh, I was team voltage all the way, even though she's like, I don't know, I don't remember what it tastes like. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, baby.
Push something out. First S tier. Waiter, could you not be that weird?
He just touched his butt.
No, it's a waiter. Can you not be that weird?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Where did that corn come from?
What Mountain Dew did this corn come from?
That's some fancy ass Mountain Dew, let me tell you. How come we're not drinking that one?
Came out of his ass.
What's the next flavor, Chloe?
Mountain Dew Overdrive, exclusive to Casey's.
Who the fuck is Casey?
It's so sticky.
Oh!
Oh, man.
It's so
That hurt.
beautiful.
Pour the fucking drinks.
Give me damn. Wait!
Can I get a flavor first?
Wait!
Yo, can I get a taste first? Women, I tell you.
This tastes like Livewire for like extra steps.
It's a more citrusy
More
Livewire.
more citrusy.
It's so gross.
I like it better than Livewire. So I say it'd be like a low B,
I'll put it. I'll let you guys put it above it.
Medium B.
medium B, quarter B tier. Yeah, I'm all right with that.
You guys are killing them again.
Oh shit, sorry.
Okay, next one, Mountain Dew Summer Freeze.
Now hang on, man. My knees are already sopping.
Oh,
Oh yeah, that one's real sweet.
What are you?
You good?
I don't mind this one.
This one's okay. Not the best one I had, but
I can't do pure sugar type of drinks, and that just tastes like.
yes, Mountain Dew. That's literally
No,
what Mountain Dew is.
I'm not saying I don't like I like Mountain Dew and I like soda and stuff, but that just tastes like it tastes like, what was it? This one where it's like a fucking Jolly Rancher.
I think it's an A tier.
I think it's a solid A, but let's see what fucking Chloe has to say.
Can we do B?
I am fine with it
Fine.
going down to B.
That can
No
be fine.
lower than B. This is definitely better than Overdrive.
Zero sugar Mountain Dew.
Later, we are ready for zero sugar.
The fuck smells bad.
That's good.
This one's.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now this one's definitely green.
Oh yeah, this is plutonium
my
uranium
God.
green. Cheers. She already drank half of it.
Can we get much higher? Still tastes like ass.
I would say D tier.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that's
agree.
fair.
Yeah.
Oh my
Not as
God.
bad as Diet Mountain Dew, but
It's
We
still
agreed
I
not-
don't
on
like it.
We agreed on 2 for sure for so far.
I think. I
Well, 3.
feel like that's pretty good.
I think that's like one of the few we agreed on without an argument so far.
What kind of?
What's the next flavor?
You're gonna break one time, eventually.
Coke Red.
Oh, here we go.
with a rush of cherry flavor.
Cherry.
It's red.
Cherry, you
flavor.
say.
Okay.
No,
Thank you.
thank you.
Just a dip, just a dip. Yeah, dip, potato chip. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
A fragrant smell of cherries.
It smells exactly like cherry from
Oh,
like.
it smells like red.
He's tasting the bread right now. All right, bottoms up, baby. Wow, what a cherry flavor.
I hate cherries, but I like Code
I
Red.
fucking hate her. I hate her so much. Yep. Now, Chloe?
I'm enjoying my red flavor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Consult with me. What do you think of this one?
I think it's pretty good.
I think it's an S tier.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
I would say it's an A tier.
Chloe, this is actual cherries. Like, what do you mean this is not a cherry flavor?
It tastes like cherry
It is literally
grenadine.
cherry.
It's literally the syrup. That
What does
cherries
red
sit in.
taste like? What are you comparing red to? What does red
It
taste
just
like?
tastes like fucking red.
What does that mean?
Doesn't taste like cherries. I have
Which is
grown up
cherry.
24 goddamn years
Mm-hmm.
loving this fucking flavor.
You're telling me you were fresh out the womb?
Fresh out of the womb, mama. I did.
24 goddamn years loving this flavor.
I get country all of a sudden. Let me tell you.
I have never once gone, yup, this is fucking cherry.
Every time I've tasted this Mountain Dew, like, that's a good cherry flavor.
No.
Is she crazy?
She's something.
Hey, is it woman moment?
Plug your ears. Chloe likes Code Red. Chloe says Code Red is an S tier.
Like I said, I'll put it right fucking there.
You never said that. You said A.
It's not cherry.
We'll let the viewers decide if Cold Red is cherry flavored, because it is cherry flavored, or red
I
flavored.
got the editor on my side. I got the director on
Fuck
our
that
side.
editor.
I got the fucking creator of the channel on my side.
That's right, I said it. And fuck that Frenchman. And fuck you, Chloe.
He agreed with us. He agreed with us.
He's my boy. That's my boy. That's why we cherry boys around this part.
All right, what's next?
We have the for real S tier, the Baja Blast. But not any
Blast.
Baja Blast. We got the Taco Bell Baja Blast.
Waiter. Oh, waiter.
Waiter.
Oh, he went downstairs. I forgot there's a Taco Bell in the basement.
Oh, yeah.
A nice plutonium 235 green.
Just a wee. No.
Oh, this is so cold. This is fantastic. It's cooling off my hands.
Lovely. I can taste the processed cheese.
I feel so bloated just from drinking fucking soda.
You haven't drank it a lot.
Been tasting dips and shit. I'm so full. Meanwhile, I got like half cups, half the fucking video.
Is it Baja La Blast?
Baja Blast.
It's banging. Easy S tier. As a famous philosopher once said,
I was just thinking she would.
Baja Blast is a banging flavor. That shit busted. Shang Tsung.
Shang Tsung said that.
He said it.
I couldn't agree more.
Perfect. Perfect list, I would say.
I think that should be the new colors of our flag.
Red, white, and dew.
Well, thanks for joining. I really have to fucking piss. Don't forget to comment what code red really tastes like.
Fucking
cherry.
It tastes like red.
I agree.
Tastes like fucking
It's not cherry, it's artificial cherry. I'll give you that.
No, it tastes like red.
Check out our latest video before this. Actual entertainment. We went hiking, found Bigfoot, still waiting my $2.5 million child support fund. Other than that, you guys have a great night.